Now both the sides of the fuselage are complete. This is the second side, this is the first side. To the first side we have attached also the nose top and nose bottom. So we will use the nose top and nose bottom to attach the two sides of the fuselage. How to attach it is like this. There is the notch here on the fuselage nose top. Keep the notch like this exactly, and then at the bottom the nose bottom will automatically align. Here main thing is it should be flush. All the four sides should be at the same line, like if you see from here, and if you see from front it will be like a box, and it should not jut out. Any part should not be stepping out. And to see the alignment, back side also, if you see, it should not be like this, or it should not be like this. So it should be perfectly a box at the front, and if you pull these two together, it should come straight like this. It should not be, one should not be above, one should not be below. Yeah, that's the alignment. Now once you have the correct alignment like this, hold it with your hand this way. Yes, yeah, hold it in your hand like this, and then apply one drop of glue on the top of the fuselage here to the second side, and just invert it. Just turn it around, turn it over, and apply one drop in the bottom of the fuselage. Ensure that it is flush. Okay, so here one drop. Yes. Now the fuselage sides are joined at the front. You see this? The glue will get set very fast, maximum of 5 seconds. You just hold it for 2 seconds, it will be dry. So you see this? The fuselage is stuck, is totally joined at the front. Now we need to join the fuselage from the cabin and backwards. This part we will do later. From here to here we will join them later. From now we need to join the fuselage from the cabin, that is the first window. Now to join the fuselage from the cabin, what we need to do is we need to cut to size this horizontal spars from sheet 3. Take one horizontal spar from sheet 3. This is the horizontal spar, extra spar that is there in sheet 3. Yes, keep it here, keep it on top of this like this, and see the measurement, what is the width. Now cut, make a cut mark, and yes, so you have this one size now. Now like that we need 9 of this size. Okay, these are of the same size, 1, 2, 3 of the same size, but 3 we need for bottom and 3 we need for the bottom of the windows also. So totally 9 we need. So cut 9 of this size. Take the first one as the reference and then just keep cutting. Okay, now I have cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more I need. Take the extra spars from sheet 3 for this purpose. Okay. Now, how to fix it is, hold it in your hand like this. Keep the spar at the first bottom of the window. Now, if you hold it, keep it here and you keep pressing it here. Because of the tension, that spar will be there, stay there. Now apply just one drop of glue at the place where it is joining. It will get stuck. Go to the second one. Wherever there is a vertical spot, you need to place one horizontal spot. See here, that's where you need to place. So keep doing it. Do 3 at the bottom and 3 at the top. Yes. So now 3 bottom are done. Now let's do 3 from the top. Always go from front to back. Ensure that the horizontal spars are rightly aligned. Then only the fuselage will be perfect. Otherwise it will be slightly twisted and will not look good. So now we've completed the 3 at the top and 3 at the bottom. Now you can join the back of the fuselage. See this? The 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom are done. We need to also put 3 in the middle. So just insert it like this. Okay, so now the cabin and the window and this 9 spars have been attached. It is strong. So now what you do is to attach the back, just it's like this. See this? It's like this. Bring it together, bring it together, and this is making a V, angle V. Now it has to be perfectly in a single alignment. Now it should not look this way, this is wrong, or not like this. It should not, it should be perfectly in a single alignment, bottom, top and the back. Now when it is perfectly aligned, just drop one drop of glue at the tip, maybe 2 drops. The glue will run down on its own, and hold it for about 5 seconds. The glue will be dry. Yes. So now it's totally stuck. Now we will do the inner spars, these. Okay, we will cut them to size again. Now we need to cut only 2 of each, one for the top, one for the bottom. So we have done up till here, 9 we have cut. Now we will take the measurement for these. Cut 2 of each. There is one for top, one for bottom. Okay, now all these horizontal spars are cut. We'll attach them 2 at a time. Keep them exactly on the place where it is supposed to get attached, like this, so you'll easily be able to pick it up. So this set, one set, 2 set, one set is here, one set, one set, one set. So keep one on top of the fuselage. Apply 1 drop on both sides. And then invert it, take the second spar at the exact bottom, attach that. keep it on the table if it makes it easier. Yeah. Okay, next one. Okay, so now the fuselage, we have done the back side. Now to do the front side. Here what we need to do is this F1, F2, F3, F4, these parts are here. This arc kind of a parts. So take them from the sheet 5, is there in sheet 5. See these are the formers, it's called formers. So that comes on the top of the fuselage at the front. Take them out. Okay, and the biggest one comes here. So again the position is mentioned, F4. So keep it there, hold it with your finger like this. Hold it with your finger and then apply glue. See this? That former is applied. Likewise apply the other 3. Okay, so now these are attached. The formers, the stringers, this is called stringers, that is there in sheet what sheet is sheet 1. The small thin sheets, the ribs are there, these 3 are there, these 3. What you do is take these 3 and then there are these notches, put them in these notches like this. Yes, and just apply one drop glue at each point. Okay, that is attached. Now the second one. Just apply 1 drop of glue, that is more than sufficient. If you over apply, then the glue will keep spilling here and there, and when it will get stuck to your hand, because it will not dry faster if you apply lots. Yes, now the fuselage is fully built. This excess whatever is there, take the knife, gently just make a small mark and cut it off like this. Yes, with that the fuselage is done. If you want the window, just add 2 more pieces here. So with that the fuselage is totally done. For the front window, just have this from extra spars from sheet 4. Here you can put one small bit of wood like this. It will look beautiful. Doesn't serve any purpose in flight, in the plane's flying characteristic, but it will help in making the plane look a bit beautiful. See? So hold it, cut it, and then put it in place. Hold it, apply. Yes. Same way, take another piece. Yes. Now fuselage is completely done. Keep it aside. We will now do the wing.